Hello guys, so welcome to another video. So in the previous video we went through this menu structure, right? Bank menu structure. Now we want to put it into the coding part on our compiler. So we're going to start by writing the welcome page. So we are going to be creating a function. So let me go to my dev C++ compiler. So this is the main program structure which you always write, right? So first of all, what we have to do, right, we have to create a class that will store some banking details which we are going to use. So we write class, right? Then our class will be called bank. Yes, after that, then we will do this, put our curly brackets, then we have to put a semicolon. That's how you write a class, right? Then so our class will have a private, then some public members here, just like this. Okay, so before that we have to, okay, let's just create our public functions, our public members and functions. So first of all, as we say, we have to create the one called welcome page, the welcome page. So it's like this, we write void, then welcome page, then you put these brackets, then you open our curly brackets, just like this. So our welcome page will be like, okay, a cout welcome to World Bank, just like this. Then after this, right, it will have a next line. It will go to the next line, then it's going to print something on the screen. So open some quotes, then you put a /n for a next line. Then we're going to say, okay, put our first option will be login. So it will be L, then put this one, then we write login. That's our first option, right? Just like this. Then we're going to print another one, so N, then it will be what, create, press C to create like a new account. C, create an account, just like this. Then you put our semicolon, then you say, okay, an option for a user to be able to exit. So we just write, okay, then X, like this, then exit option. Okay, then in the brackets we just put X, just like this. So let me just check with the video which I did earlier. As you can see, so there's login, create an account, and exit page. So first, now we have to just compile and run it so that it can check if there are errors which have occurred while we're programming this one. Yes, it won't show anything to the screen and output. It won't show now. It only shows if you do this. Okay, let me just do this. We have to, okay, this bank, right? Then for us to be able to view this one within our program, what we need to do is say bank, then we'll give this a class a name. Let's say it's called user, just like user, right? Then you put a semicolon. After that, then you say user, then you press insert a dot option, then press enter, then you put a semicolon. Okay, let's now try to compile and run so that you can check for errors. As you can see, it have shown our welcome to World Bank, right? Then these are the options which the user have to select, right? Either W, X, or C, just like that. Now we are going to work on our following function. Yes, the one which we are dealing with is, so let's go to our program structure. As you can see, we are going to deal with a login page. So what will be included on our login page? Let's check this part. Create an account. Okay, after, okay, yeah, just like, nah, Okay, so after the person, let's say the person has to select login, right? Then we have to create a function for login. So we start by writing void, then write login page just like this. Then we put this, then we put our curly brackets. Now let me just write it down, the parts. See out, then I say login page, then you put a end line here in small letters. Then see out, then you put some options here. So the first option will be, okay, next line. Okay, let me just copy the whole thing here. Okay, next line, then I put what we call E, option E, enter username, yeah, just like this. Okay, see out, then our option is U, password, so let me just say U, and then password, then enter password, just like this. Okay, see out, exit, E for exit, yeah, then I do this. Okay, so as you can see, we have completed the login page, and let's just test run it within our program. So let me just remove the whole thing here, and let's put a dot again. It will put an option of a welcome page. Let's select it, then we'll put a semicolon in front of it, and let's just run our code and see what happens. Yes, it shows up properly, but okay, there is something like we want to use. So want to use a login page instead of the welcome page, my bad. So we change this one, we put login, we put dot, then then press enter, then put a semicolon, and let's compile and run it. Okay, there you see a login page. Yes, that's it. Now what we're going to deal with, right? The next part, after maybe the user chose to click on create an account, so we have to create another function that we will use. So start by writing void create, and let's name it create account, just like this. Then you put these ones and put this semicolon, then I say see out, okay, create account page, just like this. Then I'm going to put an end line here, then I'm going to start writing the see out of the features which are needed under create an account. So let's go. Okay, on create account, there is, let's refer to our earlier video. Let's go where it says create an account. So it's only 2 minutes, not this one. We need this part, create an account part. Okay, these are the options, right? So we will require a customer ID, customer name and surname, a phone number, and a email address for the customer. So now let's just write it in our code. So start by putting, so yeah, enter your name, right? So this one will be option N. Okay, then this one will be option is send S for surname. Enter your surname, in brackets let's just write last name. Okay, now we'll say cout /n. Now we need the customer's ID. Okay, yes, okay, ID. Okay, option D. Option D, just like this. Then enter your national ID number, just like this. Then we go to another option. Option email. So this one should be mail. M will be the mail which we'll be using. Enter your email address, just like this. Okay, what's the other information which you need? Let's go back and have a reference to our video. Name, surname, okay, phone number, email, and ID. So our phone number, we've forgotten our phone number. Let's go to the code. Okay, P phone number. Enter your phone number, just like this. Then we'll print it out. Then let's just test run this other part in our code. So we just have to remove this one. We press dot, then we press where it says create account, enter, put a semicolon, and so let's test run our code by compiling and running. As you can see, create account page, enter. Okay, this, so the user will enter an option, we'll program that part. So yeah, there we go. Now with other parts which we'll have to dive into, let's just check. So in account dashboard, so let's go to that part of our program. Okay, so we start by writing void account dash account dash, just like this. Then you put our curly brackets, not forgetting them. Then we start by writing our cout. Okay, your account dash board, just like this. Then you put an end line here. Okay, now we have to write something like, now on our account dashboard, right? So the option even, so we're going to start by writing option number 1. So just like this, option 1, the user you should press number 1 when he wants to access what we call account dashboard, account details, or in brackets we can call it profile, right? Yeah, just like this. Then on the next part, right? So okay, what's wrong with my code here? Okay, on the next part, now what we have to do, right, is in option number 2. So on option number 2, there is an option for a user to make a deposit, right? Just like this. Then on option number 3, let's look at, okay, withdraw money. That's another option the user can select. Then on option number 4, okay, and option number 4, just like this. Okay, we're going to allow the user to request for a balance inquiry. Yes. Then in option number 5, we can just put what's next on option number 5 is like modify account. As you can see, it's modify account. Then we had another option number 6, which we mentioned in the video. Let's check. So it was on it, which time frame? 3 minutes. Account dashboard. Yes. So after balance inquiry, there is an option for what? Modify account, and after modify account there is close account. Okay, modify account. Then this one will be a close account option, just like this. Then the user have an ability to log out. The logout function is the same as exit function. Yeah, so it's going to clear everything on the screen. Then he or she will be able to log out. So I'm going to put X, yes, or E. We're using X or E. Let's just go and confirm we're using X. So this one was an error here. Put an X. Then this one we put an X, yes. Then option, then we put exit. Okay, logout. I mean logout in brackets, the same as exit the program, just like that. So now, as we finished creating our void account dashboard function, let's just check it out within our main program. So user dot account dashboard, click enter, then we put a semicolon here, then we just hit where it says compile and run, and let's see. As you can see, guys, this looks lovely, it looks good. So there is an account details profile. Is it this good spelling for profile? I don't know. Make a deposit, withdraw money, balance inquiry, modify account, close account, login, logout, I mean. So these are the, let's see. So if the person have an account, right, he or she is going to log in. Then when he logs in, he is going to be requested to enter his username and a password. After entering those information, it will direct him to our account dashboard. But if the user has no account, right, he or she have to select where it says create an account. When that person clicks on the create an account button, he's going to enter his username, his surname, national ID, email address, phone number, and it does the information which you want. So guys, this is how we create a class, a bank account class in C++. So the next part, watch okay, stay tuned for the next part of the video, which we are going to dive in something which I'm not going to say, but it will be a surprise to you guys. So thank you for watching. Hope you have a good day. Bye for now.